Hi, welcome to Hulky's How To. I am Hulky Boy. Within my streaming career, I've ran into a few different issues like audio. I'm assuming that's what you're here for. So let's go over a few common things that have tremendously helped me in a really quick and easy way. Now, there's a few different reasons why your audio may not be working. It could be a new setup. Maybe you updated your old setup with new hardware or new programs. Let's start off with the most common sense, easiest thing to take care of. Is your headset plugged in, and do you have power going to your speakers, or are they even on? I know, sounds crazy. You wouldn't believe how many people would not have taken care of that. Now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at the first tip here. Now, if you follow me, the first thing I want to do is make sure it's not muted or the right sound output setting. All right, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna check this, make sure that this part is not muted like that. Right now, though I muted it, you can still hear a little bit of the music in the background. That's because I'm running everything to a Go XLR. Right, I made sure I have the right output source chosen, and you're good. Okay, that's number one. Boom. The first, or actually the second thing you want to make sure, you don't have any Windows updates. So we're gonna go ahead, and I already have mine here. Check for updates right here. If you have anything that says it needs to update, install now. Even if you don't see that, make sure you click the check for updates button. Let it run through. Okay, cool. It says we're all good to go. We can close out of that. Boom. Already passed 2. We got 2 more to go. The next, I always go and check my NVIDIA settings. Now, the one that I go to, I right click here, right on the NVIDIA picture, it automatically pops up. I have the NVIDIA app. Some of you guys may have the GeForce Experience. I just chose this because I like the fact that I can reinstall my drivers if there's some type of issue. Now here at the app under drivers tab, you go here. If you have an update, it will say right here, update, or if you've been having issues with this version, first, I would definitely look it up and make sure. And if you have an issue with it, you can have the option to reinstall here. Let's close that. And we're right here at our final line. Now, this is going to be a little bit longer, but this is very important for you to check. If you're on Windows 11, right click the start button here. You can go to device manager right here. Boom. I know it's real small probably on your screen, but right here you can be able to check all your drivers to make sure you got what you need. I go to audio inputs and outputs, make sure everything that is there that I can use for either inputs or outputs. If you see that you're missing something like the Realtek digital output, you can then go first, you can click here. You can also update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Okay, the best driver for your device is already installed. Boom. I do not have to check Windows Update because we just checked that before we got here. All right. Anything else, if you feel like it's not acting right, wherever you normally have your audio going to, you can click then and check for the updates. Let's close this. Let's say that you have not seen the driver you're looking for in the device manager. Very nice and easy. You can bring up Google. You can then type in your motherboard manufacturer right here in Google. If you do not know, you can hit the search button here, and then up this way, you can go to system info. System info here would then show you who made your motherboard. This is MicroStar International, which is, commonly known as MSI. Also, it will give you the model number here, and it just also tells you motherboard again down here, and also the baseboard product information, which you're going to need for searching up right here in Google. So I go to MSI motherboards drivers. Here you go. Boom, already set. Right here, it's going to immediately take me to the website. Just click on that. And right here from the information that you found in your system info, you can type this information down here. You're looking for motherboards. I'm not gonna bore you with the specifics, but it's very simple and easy like that. Let's see. Also, let me just go over another thing. What I found in the past, what a lot of people have done in other videos, they have this tendency of wanting to go to the Google settings. That wasn't my situation, right? When I looked and I had my issue right here, I was missing the Chrome. Right now, I'm playing music from a website, right? Google Chrome was not here. I easily just hit the reset button. The reset button is gonna make sure any output or inputs that are missing, it's gonna pop up as long as you're playing music from the website. So whether it's YouTube, whether you're on royalty-free websites like Slipstream, right? You can then find, you have to be playing it first. That's important. And then it will pop up here. Make sure whatever your output device is the right one. Again, I have mine on a Go XR. I have it, looped through there, and everything is going nice and smooth. For whatever reason, now this is the way I've seen a lot of other people do it. If all of that doesn't work, I would then go to, bring up your web browser. I use Chrome. There's 3 dots at the top right of your screen. Click that, go all the way down to settings. Right here on the far left, you want to look for privacy and security. Scroll down if you need to. Right here at site settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says additional content settings. Drop that down. Immediately you see signs here. For whatever reason, maybe you may have not allow play sounds, and then the site is added here. I have nothing added to play sounds or to not play sounds from a website. It's naturally automatically set up like that for me. I hope it's set up like that for you. Listen, if you guys have any more questions about any of this, feel free to, let me know down in the comment section below. We're just under 10 minutes. There could be a few other things. That to me has been the main problem with all of the audio issues I've had in the past. If I was able to help you, please make sure you drop a follow, drop a like below. In the description, I have my link tree with all my links. We primarily stream between YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. TikTok is our main. Hope to see you guys in the chat, man. Take care. Appreciate it.